Hi everyone, my name is Easy Godfrey. I'm back on your screen again. This time around with something slightly different.
Go on, I'm listening.
So I've always had this 11 Pro iPhone for some years, just before the pandemic or during the pandemic, I would say. And ever since then, Apple has been releasing one new product every year. The funny thing is that each year I want to see the difference, that oomph factor about the new phone, and see if I can maybe jump on the wagon. But I never saw the need because 12 felt like an upgraded 11.
Really? Is that what he told you?
13, good features, I would say. 14, still good. 15 felt a little bit different. It was actually a good leap, but it just wasn't the time for me. So this 16 came and it was more like a huge leap from an 11 for me. So I decided to say, why not just jump on this one and get it. So join me today as I unveil my new 16 Pro. All right. So it came a few days ago after I pre-ordered it. And here you go, a 16 Pro 512 gigabyte. I love that sound. To be fair, the way Apple actually packages their products is it screams premium. I love this. Wow. It's a natural. Sometimes it feels like they're cheating us now. It's only cable they're leaving us with. But I love this. How smooth. I think the next video I'm gonna create will be with this phone. So let's see if there is a huge difference between the quality of the video in 11 and that of 16, if I made the right choice. So drop a comment to tell me what you think about the 16 Pro, if you think it's the right choice. All right, tada, I remain Easy Godfrey.